Thinking about buying a waterfront home at the Jersey Shore? There are a few things nobody tells you, and if you don't know them ahead of time, they can cost you thousands. Let's break it down. First, flood insurance. This is one of the biggest variables with waterfront properties. Depending upon the elevation, the flood zone, and the specific home, the cost can vary significantly. If you don't look at this upfront, what seems like a great deal can quickly become much more expensive on a monthly basis. Second, bulkheads. A lot of waterfront homes have bulkheads along the water, and these don't last forever. If the bulkhead is older or failing, replacing it could be a major expense. This is something you always want to evaluate before you buy, not after. Third, drainage and elevation. Some properties look perfect when you walk through them, but you also have to think about what happens during heavy rain, storms, or high tide. Elevation and drainage play a big role in how that property performs over time. Fourth, maintenance. Waterfront homes typically require more ongoing maintenance. Salt, air, moisture, and exposure all take a toll over time. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something you want to go into with your eyes open. And even if you're just thinking about buying, give me a call or a text. I could set you up on a custom home search so that you could see waterfront properties as they hit the market and start getting a feel for what's out there. At the same time, I can get you pre-approved so that part is already taken care of when you're ready to move forward. I'm Bill Maier with United Mortgage and Daunno Realty Services here in Toms River. I handle both the mortgage and real estate side, so I can guide you from start to finish. You can reach me 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. at 908-304-5470. If you're even considering a waterfront home, let's make sure you're looking at it the right way. Thanks for stopping by.